guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's cooking video, I'll be making soya beans, soya beans and sweet corn porridge. So this particular meal just came to me as an inspiration and I want to make it. So on the ingredient list, we have the soya beans, which is like our main ingredient. Okay, so we have the sweet corn, green red bell pepper, green vegetable, some pieces of dry fish, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, onion, chopped fresh tomatoes, curry masala powder, thyme, stock cube. This is a blend of crayfish, Iphie, and pepper. So first things first, as you can see, this the soya bean is really dry and hard. So what I'm going to do is to soak it. You either soak it overnight or you soak it for at least 4 hours before you start cooking. So I'm gonna do that right after 7 hours. You can see that it has increased in size, the beans. So I'm going to I didn't know if I mentioned that before you do this you need to remove the stones and all of that. I did that already before soaking it in water. So I'm going to put this on fire now and let it cook. So guys, while our soya beans is cooking, I'm going to tell you why soya beans is good and why you should consider having this meal like me. So soya beans is high in protein and a decent source of both carbs and fats. It also has various vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. It helps to regulate. Regular intake of soya beans may alleviate the symptoms of menopause and reduce the risk of prostate and breast cancer. Regular intake also helps to manage diabetes, and it helps to improve blood circulation in the body and prevent coronary heart disease. So you can agree with me that soya beans is a good thing to inculcate into your meals. I know that most of us, we are just used to just beans, but it won't be a bad thing if you incorporate soya beans to your meal. So what's gonna happen is that we are going to let this beans cook and soften, then we'll continue the rest of the cooking. Catch you with my palm oil. So I'm not trying to bleach it. So the next thing, I add my onion. Give it a big stir. Then I add my tomatoes and give it a big stir and allow it to cook for some minutes. I'll be going in with my thyme. Give it a quick stir. Then I'll add my curry powder. And also give it a quick stir and allow the flavors to soak in for about 1 minute. The next thing I'll be adding is my mix of ginger, garlic, obey, crayfish and habanero pepper. I'll give it a quick stir and cover this to cook for some minutes. Yeah. Add a little water, give it a quick stir and add my dry fish. Yeah. Then cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. I'm going to add some spices, like chicken spices, stock cube, then salt. Give it a quick stir. So guys, I'm going to be adding the already cooked soya bean into the pot now. Then I give it a quick stir. Add some water at this point. Cover it and allow it to cook, yeah, so that the ingredients will incorporate. I'll quickly add the sweet corn now. I love the color. Give it a quick stir. Then add my green bell pepper. Quick stir as well. Then I'll be sprinkling some green vegetables on it. I'll go right ahead and cover it and let it simmer for 1 minute. Yeah. I don't know if I've spoken about subscribing to my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe, okay? Yeah. And this soya bean, remember what we are cooking is soya bean and sweet corn porridge. It is actually ready. We'll go ahead and serve it now. I like the bustling colors of the yellow sweet. Guys, and your sweet corn and soya bean porridge is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video.